Okay, so we're here at AOC in Washington, D.C., or right outside of Washington, D.C. My first name's Wael, last name's I'm with AMCOM. Here, we're based in Rockville, Maryland. We are a fabless company, so we design our own integrated circuits, and we take those circuits off wafers like this, and we put them in different packages, as you can see here. Once we have these integrated circuits in these packages, then we connectorize them in all types of different power amplifiers, switches, attenuators. And we're also getting stronger and stronger with regard to our custom design work. So we're picking up a lot of business at shows like this for products that have been EOL'd, end-of-lifed, at different companies. We'll pick those products up. Customers will come to us looking for solutions, saying we can't get this product anymore. The size of AMCOM allows us to be nimble in the way we approach custom design. So we really are doing very well at custom designing at the speed of business. We're quick, we're nimble, we have a very responsive engineering team. So within a very short period of time, we can take a product that customers were getting online and now can't find and manufacture them and redesign them for the customer, put them together and deliver them to the customer, and really solve an issue that's becoming more and more prevalent in the marketplace. So overall, we've been in business about 26 years. We're growing year after year, primarily delivering products that are very reliable. We sell to all the majors in this area, and we hope to continue selling to all the majors and increasing our product line.